Face jewelry is one of the most stunning and photogenic accessories you can wear, but if you've never worn it before, it can feel intimidating. How do you apply it? How do you style it? How do you make sure it stays in place? In this complete tutorial, I'm showing you everything you need to know about styling crystal face jewelry, from application to removal, and how to create looks that turn heads. Let's start with what face jewelry actually is. Face jewelry includes any decorative accessories featuring crystals, chains, or gems that you wear on your face. Crystal face chain masks drape across your face, creating an ethereal, mysterious look. Tassel face jewelry adds movement and catches light beautifully. Forehead chains and temple jewelry frame your face with subtle sparkle. Rhinestone face stickers and gems create custom patterns and designs, and full coverage face masks offer dramatic editorial looks. These pieces are perfect for festivals, raves, photo shoots, performances, and anytime you want to make a bold statement. Types of face jewelry and how they work. Adhesive face gems use skin-safe glue to stick individual crystals to your face. You can create custom patterns and designs. Chain-style face jewelry uses adjustable chains that hook behind your ears or into your hair. No adhesive needed, just adjust and secure. Elastic or headband-style pieces sit on your head like a headband with chains or crystals draping down, easy to wear and remove. And magnetic or clip-on options attach without adhesive for reusable, damage-free application. How to prepare your face for face jewelry. Start with clean, dry skin. Wash your face and remove any oils or makeup from the areas where you'll apply jewelry. Moisturize lightly, but let it fully absorb. Too much moisture prevents adhesive from sticking. If you're using adhesive gems, avoid applying heavy foundation or powder in those areas. The adhesive needs direct contact with skin. And tie back your hair so it doesn't interfere with application or get caught in chains. Step-by-step application for chain-style face jewelry. Hold the piece up to your face to see where it will sit. Most chain masks have a central piece that sits on your nose or forehead. Adjust the chains to fit your face shape. Most pieces have adjustable links or clasps. Secure the piece behind your ears or clip it into your hair using bobby pins. Make sure it feels stable and won't shift. Check in a mirror from multiple angles to ensure it's centered and sitting correctly. And do a movement test. Shake your head gently to make sure everything stays in place. Step-by-step application for adhesive face gems. Plan your design first. Lay out your gems on a clean surface to visualize the pattern. Use tweezers to pick up individual gems. This gives you precision and control. Apply a tiny dot of skin-safe adhesive to the back of each gem. Eyelash glue works perfectly for this. Press the gem firmly onto your skin for at least 10 seconds. This ensures it bonds properly. Work from the center of your face outward for symmetry, and let the adhesive dry completely before touching or adding makeup. Makeup tips when wearing face jewelry. Apply your base makeup first, including foundation, concealer, and powder. Then apply your face jewelry on top. Keep eye makeup bold but balanced. If your face jewelry is dramatic, you can go bold with eyeshadow and liner. If it's subtle, keep makeup soft. Avoid heavy powder or setting spray directly on the jewelry. This can dull the sparkle or loosen adhesive. And use a setting spray carefully, misting from a distance to avoid disturbing the jewelry. Styling face jewelry for different occasions. For festivals and raves, go bold with full coverage chain masks, layered gems, and dramatic designs. Pair with sequin bodysuits and rhinestone accessories. For photo shoots and content creation, experiment with editorial looks. Try asymmetrical designs, bold colors, or minimalist single chain pieces. For performances and stage wear, choose pieces that catch stage lights. Crystal chains and rhinestone masks sparkle beautifully under spotlights. And for club nights and parties, keep it subtle with forehead chains, temple jewelry, or a few strategic gems. Hairstyling with face jewelry. Sleek, pulled-back hairstyles like high ponytails or buns showcase face jewelry beautifully. Nothing blocks the view. Loose waves or curls can work if you keep hair away from your face with clips or pins. Braids, especially crown braids or side braids, complement face jewelry and add to the bohemian or festival vibe. And avoid heavy bangs or face-framing layers that will cover or tangle with your jewelry. How to make face jewelry stay in place all day or night. Use high-quality, skin-safe adhesive designed for body art or cosmetics. Test the adhesive on a small area first if you have sensitive skin. Avoid touching your face throughout the event. Oils from your hands can loosen adhesive. Bring backup gems or a small tube of adhesive for quick repairs. And if you're wearing chain-style jewelry, secure it with extra bobby pins for added stability. Common mistakes to avoid with face jewelry. Using too much adhesive creates a messy look and can irritate skin. A tiny dot is all you need. Applying jewelry over heavy makeup prevents proper adhesion. Always apply to clean skin or light makeup. Choosing pieces that are too heavy or large can be uncomfortable and won't stay in place. Start with lighter, smaller designs. And forgetting to test your look beforehand can lead to last-minute stress. Always do a trial run. How to remove face jewelry safely. For chain-style pieces, simply unhook or unclip them from behind your ears or hair. Gently remove to avoid tangling. For adhesive gems, use oil-based makeup remover or coconut oil. Soak a cotton pad and hold it against the gem for a few seconds to dissolve the adhesive. Gently peel the gem away. Never pull or rip gems off. This can damage your skin. Cleanse your face thoroughly after removal to remove any adhesive residue, and moisturize to soothe your skin. Care and storage for reusable face jewelry. Clean chain-style pieces gently with a soft cloth after each use to remove oils and makeup. Store flat or hanging to prevent tangling. Keep pieces in protective pouches or boxes when traveling. Check for loosed crystals or damaged chains before wearing, and repair with jewelry glue if needed. And avoid exposing face jewelry to water, harsh chemicals, or extreme temperatures. Creative styling ideas to try. Asymmetrical designs with gems or chains on one side of your face create an edgy, editorial look. Layered face jewelry combining chains, gems, and stickers adds depth and dimension. Color-coordinated looks matching your face jewelry to your outfit or makeup create a cohesive aesthetic. Minimalist single-chain pieces offer subtle elegance for everyday wear or less bold events. And themed designs like celestial stars, geometric patterns, or floral arrangements tell a story. Photography tips for face jewelry. Face jewelry photographs best in natural light or under stage lights. The crystals catch and reflect light beautifully. Shoot close-up portrait-style photos to showcase the details and sparkle. Experiment with angles. Side profiles and three-quarters views often highlight face jewelry better than straight-on shots. And use a plain or simple background so the jewelry is the focal point. Here's your face jewelry styling action plan. Choose your type: chain mask, adhesive gems, forehead chain, or full coverage piece. Prepare your face with clean, dry skin and light makeup. Apply carefully following the steps for your jewelry type. Style your hair to showcase the jewelry. Keep makeup balanced and complementary. Test your look and do a movement check, and plan for removal with oil-based remover and gentle care. Face jewelry isn't just an accessory, it's art. It's self-expression, and it's a way to transform your look into something truly unforgettable. Wear it with confidence and let your face sparkle. Ready to try face jewelry? Check out our complete collection of crystal face chains, rhinestone masks, tassel jewelry, and adhesive gems. We have everything you need to create stunning, head-turning looks. Visit the link in the description to shop now.